Ooh, honey, let me cover up. It is 3 o'clock in the morning. Y'all look like y'all leaning. Hell, y'all may just be sleepy. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. Sonya, what you doing up? I'm kind of hungry, that's why. So I figured I'd do me a little breakfast type thing going on at 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm not gonna go to sleep anyway. It's about 5 or 6 in the morning. But I figured let me go ahead and serve me up some breakfast because the only thing I've been eating lately is carrots. Y'all, I'm going crazy with these carrots. I go by Target every other day. At one time, they would, you know, keep the shelves kind of stocked with carrots, but where are carrots at? This might get up right here. This is it. This is it. So what I've been buying, what size bag is this? This is a 2-pound bag. So I've been buying like 3 of these at a time. So I go every other day to purchase these. I can't help myself. Y'all know one time is lemon, it's orange. Right now, lemon's not in season, so I figured these carrots, I'm wearing these carrots out. But since I was up, I said, okay, let me make me some waffles, right? Now, I know I went by Didi's. Somebody corrected me, it's called Didi's. Because I said DDS, hell, I don't know. But it's Didi's. And when I went in there to buy that large size pan, I purchased this. So I'm going to use one of the smaller, it comes with 3 different units in here. You can put cereal, sugar, whatever you want to put in it. But I thought it would be good to use one to pour my pancake mix, either in the skillet to make pancakes, or in my case, I'm making waffles this morning at 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to use Walmart, inexpensive, same as any other name brand, blueberry pancake mix and make me some waffles. I may do a grapefruit, I don't know, but I will be incorporating these two together. I only want one waffle because that's all I can eat. I tend to like those real smaller versions because that's really just too much for me. Then for my meat, I'm gonna serve this up. I want a couple of these brown and served. I'm hoping they're not gonna smell it because if they smell it, they're gonna get up. And it's a school night too. So once I get everything all together, my choice of drink is gonna be, I found some more of these. This is a Caruso Limoncello Italian style soda. When I say I like these, they just like the orange ones, but y'all know I'm a lemon lover. I can do lemon or orange, but I like this one. This is my last one, so I need to find another TJ Maxx that sells this because I really like it. But yeah, once I get everything together, my breakfast together, because I don't eat yet. I don't eat like scrambled egg, fried eggs. I'm doing those things. That's not my get up. But anyway, once I get my breakfast together, get in my bed and enjoy. I'm doing a marathon of what's happening. I ordered this the other day from Amazon, which I had it already, but anytime they take my movies out of the case and don't put it back, I don't want it. I just don't want it because it's scratched up. I don't want it. Whenever you use something of mine, put it back in the case. Just put it back in the case so it can stay not new, but in a great condition. So that's what we're doing this morning. I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys. I haven't talked to you in a moment. And also to share my early morning breakfast with you, okay? Got my little red top. I don't want to show too much because I don't gain so much weight eating them damn carrots. I'm gonna tell you something. If you want to gain weight, eat carrots because carrots will actually give you an appetite to eat, you know, more and more foods. I'm gonna tell you something. Y'all know I did them oxtails, right? How about I did a remake on those oxtails? I did the marination for 24 hours, which I originally told you to do, but since I had so many things cooking that night, I just did it for a couple of hours. I did that 24 hours marination of those oxtails, put it on the grill, baby. When I tell you I was sucking hard on them oxtail bones, okay? Had me some dinner rolls and sopped it in that barbecue sauce. Oh my goodness. And some rice. I had some white rice with it. But Sonya, it's enough about what you had because you ain't sharing with nobody. That's why I came on here this morning to share. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. Somebody up with me. I know you are. So with that in mind, let's get started. Okay, y'all, so there you have it. Doesn't that look delicious? My carrot blueberry waffles. Now, I had a little bit of the batter mix left over, so I didn't want to throw it away, so I just made another waffle. Now, the puzzling thing is, I just spent $8 on some maple syrup. Nobody tends to know where it's at, so it's 3 o'clock in the morning. You know I'm going to wake them up, right? Because I want to try this maple syrup on top of these carrot blueberry waffles, okay? If not, I got to go get this cheap stuff, okay? I ain't doing that on this right here. This looks too good for anything cheap. We'll find a maple syrup, throw down. Didn't use the container, I'm tired now, but I'm going to go ahead and sit in the bed, relax, enjoy this with this. You're welcome to come over if you're in the neighborhood. So I hope you've enjoyed the time we shared together. And it's early in the morning, but your girl is up and had a sweet tooth. Until next time, be blessed. Bye, y'all. Okay, y'all see I can have nothing to myself. It's 3 o'clock in the damn morning. Everybody want to eat what I eat. This Deja Hideaway stash. She got 4 blueberry waffles she's going to put up. She said, yeah. You would think a child that small can't eat this much, but this is her waffles.